I went from 54% in my JC mock exam to getting 94% in the actual thing in June. This is how I did it. The first thing I did was I started to spot the patterns. I would be sitting in the exam and I'd be looking back at all the papers and I'd spot, oh, area and volume comes up every single year. Sets, that comes up every single year. Financial maths, every single year. They are all based off algebra. So if I had a good base of algebra, I'd be able to get a good area and volume score, a good financial math score, and a good set score. So suddenly my grades are going from like 50% up towards 60, 70, 80%. That's the first thing, spot the pattern. Number 2, get organized. The best thing you can do at the end of your study session is to spend 5 minutes planning the next day's study. On the previous night, I'd committed to what I was going to do the next day. I'd wrote down exactly what I was going to study, and I just did it. And I just started to study a lot more because I was organized. Step 2, get organized. And finally, I've got to tell you something. And if you've been following me since January, you'll know this. There are 4 big pillars of junior cycle maths: algebra, statistics, trigonometry, and coordinate geometry. And if you know them, you will be streets ahead of everyone else in the exam. Study them intensely. Follow me, a lot more junior cycle tips to come.